latest update on Matthias rearrest. The thing is that recently a lot of things are trying to play in. You know, like I told you guys yesterday or day before yesterday, I think it's on Saturday, that they will be having a meeting between the both parties, Onye Jikwenianoro and Matthias and some of his people, so that Kamama a mutual agreement and negotiations, and come into agreement on how to go on all those things. Kama Monyeji case or God drop the case, because the truth of everything is that now all the petitions say they are against Matthias. Matthias is guilty in all, and in only Gianoro prepare his evidence very well. More reason his lawyers and other people are trying to go into negotiation so that Kamana I get settle things. Then, like I said, the meeting later went on, and they had a bit of it. That is Emecharo, one of the matter arising and other things, but they didn't come into conclusion. They will still have another meeting. Yeah, because Oyeji Matthias Nolo have a lot of terms and conditions. I got signed area and other things. So like I said, things are going well, though a lot of things are trying to come into play. Like I said earlier on one of my posts earlier today, that some group of people in America now watch all this situation and the Omenala Igbo and how all those things has been going, are trying to stop Matthias from being released. In fact, they are trying to see that they make sure na the okpu court, and to see that na Attire Matthias in some group of people. They are not Zion people, or just people analyze Igbo, Omenala Igbo, and Isiagu, and the level on now, and how some people are trying to come in to protest or speak on behalf of Matthias, as if that the way he is going about his program online is the good way to go. That's the more reason why those people from America are trying to make sure that he paid for all these things. Because whether you guys like it or not, if you want to tell yourself the truth, you will know that the way Matthias made his thing is not the best way to go. You can't come out and start criticizing a particular person, abusing people's religions and belief. Like you are making a straight statement on it. So what am I trying to say? Many things are trying to come into play, but negotiations are still going on, and Mazi is still begging. Yeah, Matthias is still begging, seriously begging. When I say begging, begging, Mazi, like he's seriously and genuinely begging. Forget a hand duty and a query online, online. Then secondly is that the video Mazi Simon Ekpa make, starting from his write-up, Obuzo make and Bekwa make another video, is trying to also put Matthias on a deep mess. Because Stacey ID, the DSS, they saw the video and they watched the video and they kind of asking him some certain things about Simon, of which I don't want to say what Matthias told them about Simon, the relationship or whatever. About him, but it's very, very unprofessional. But the thing here is that they are trying to verify more or look into it to make sure that Matthias aburo one of these people who na aim all those things in Igbo land, like and the way Simon Ekpa is doing his things all this while, like they are trying to make sure that he have no hand or connection or that closeness with him because of the recent things Simon Ekpa is speaking on behalf of Matthias. One thing some of you fail to understand is that Evangelist Ezeaku is a man with so much grace, of which if you don't take time, his grace will not only disgrace you but will land you into big trouble. All this why Simon Ekpa never spoke about Matthias. Keta ana achoka abia into terms mama ya happier goes from nowhere pota na etizi onu n'okwu na enye order na enye 24 hours abi 72 hours as if like I don't understand, not knowing that he's trying to put the guy into more deep mess. And some of his umuoko Ndi Matthias Ezeaku are busy sharing the video, sharing the post. Simon Ekpa said, as Simon Ekpa didn't say, Katana only DSS and watch like this the Matthias. If you hear a mere threats, game had release here. So what am I trying to say? They are trying to look more to see and this man is trying to speak on behalf of Matthias. Maybe there is something between them, or no. And secondly, with what Matthias has played in the past in those days by hiding on phone and throwing away of phone and other things, like they also point out their own suspicion and other things. Like I said yesterday, I be there before yesterday on my analysis. So all those things are trying to come into play because of this video or whatever Simon Ekpa is making on behalf of him. And that is more reason why him coming out, like the negotiation and other things, terms and condition and undertaking or your sign, we kind of have a bit delay because they are trying to watch things because of this recent video from Simon Ekpa about him. But the way situation is still going, when is trying to like come into terms with them and has also agreed to drop the case. So once I drop was the case, Matthias is free to go. But the only thing that might put Matthias into problem again after onye jikwenya drop case here was this thing say Simon Ekpa na emezina na ekuzina. That's another thing that might delay him. Maybe after car drop case and the DSS on the state CID we try to do their own ojobo, and as I heard, according to updates from a source, I receive my update from different source. I don't receive my update from one source, and whatever I'm telling you here is truth and nothing but the truth. According to the update, the only case this thing Simon Ekpa is kind of saying on behalf of him or trying to come in on behalf of him, when they can link that he might likely be dumped in a place where will not be good for him. I'm trying to watch my ways. I can't always come here and tell you the things straight, like to say some things straight without trying to dodge some ways or like say it somehow, because it's not all the things that I will just say like that on air. So that's the latest so far, but hopefully he will come out before weekend. Yeah, he will come out before weekend. But you, his fans, and then they now quite Simon to try to do his thing, should be careful. I said this thing and I'm saying it now. You, his followers, man who ne share, man who ne ku online. This matter, maybe this matter no, Aboho local police station, or maybe Awada on board. Maybe this case no. Okay, so make sure you share this video and always drop your opinion and suggestion or whatever you think about this whole case. Call the one.